Designing a small studio apartment can feel like solving a complex puzzle. Every inch matters, and every decision influences comfort and functionality. With limited square footage and the challenge of having all living activities in a single open space, adopting a minimalist approach becomes a powerful strategy. Minimalism is not merely about reducing furniture and decorations. It's about creating purposeful spaces that feel open, practical, and visually calming. This video explores smart, minimalist layout ideas that transform small studio apartments into stylish, efficient, and comfortable places to live. Understanding the minimalist approach in studio living. Minimalism emphasizes simplicity, clean lines, and decluttered environments. In studios, this translates into focusing on essential furniture and design elements, optimizing space through smart layout choices, maintaining a cohesive theme with light and neutral tones, using multi-purpose pieces that serve more than one function. The core principle is achieving more with less, more space, more comfort, more visual balance, while minimizing distractions. Define zones without building walls. A studio apartment typically combines living, sleeping, dining, and work areas into one room. The key to a functional minimalist layout is thoughtful zoning. Furniture as dividers. A sofa can separate your living area from the sleeping space. A storage shelf placed strategically can add both organization and visual separation. Floor rugs for area definition. Using different rugs helps mark distinct sections without clutter or permanent barriers. Color coding. Choosing slightly varied tones for different functional areas can subtly guide the eye and create structure. Thin partition elements. Consider lightweight folding screens or curtains that provide privacy without closing the space completely. The goal is a cohesive environment where each area flows naturally yet maintains its own purpose. Smart furniture selection for maximum function. In minimalist small studios, furniture must be strategic. Choose multifunctional pieces. Sofa beds or Murphy beds conserve daytime space. Coffee tables with storage or adjustable height serve multiple uses. Dining, working, or entertaining. Benches with hidden compartments offer seating and organization. Use sleek, elevated designs. Furniture with legs exposed creates visual airiness while allowing easier cleaning and storage solutions beneath. Avoid oversized items. Compact forms ensure movement is easy and space feels unrestricted. Minimalist furniture doesn't sacrifice comfort. It balances utility with clean aesthetic lines. Vertical storage, the minimalist's secret weapon. When floor space is limited, walls become valuable real estate. Floating shelves keep essentials within reach without consuming floor area. Tall cabinets maximize height while reducing clutter. Overhead racks in the kitchen expand storage for frequently used items. To maintain minimalist harmony, ensure shelves are arranged neatly and avoid overcrowding them with decor. Open storage should showcase intentional design, not chaos. Create a minimalist sleeping nook. Since there is no dedicated bedroom in a studio, designing a calming sleeping area is essential. Consider options such as loft beds to free up floor space for a desk or closet underneath. Platform beds with built-in drawers to reduce the need for additional cabinets. Sheer curtains or sliding panels for a private and cozy feel. Keep bedding simple. Neutral tones and low-profile decorations reduce visual noise and help the mind relax. A compact kitchen with streamlined efficiency. Minimalist kitchens and studio apartments focus on smart arrangement and innovative storage. Key strategies include galley layout or single-wall design for efficient movement. Hidden appliances, such as built-in microwaves or under-counter refrigerators. Magnetic strips for utensils, saving drawer space. Multi-purpose kitchen islands functioning as dining, prep area, and storage. Maintaining clear counters is essential. Every appliance or tool should have a designated place. Minimalist living area. Focus on comfort and openness. Your living area should feel like the heart of the studio, even without excess decor. Opt for lightweight seating that can be easily rearranged. Keep the entertainment setup minimal. Mount the TV on the wall to free up floor space. Use just a few statement artworks or plants to add personality without clutter. An open, breathable environment promotes relaxation and supports a minimalist lifestyle. Color palette: light, neutral, and harmonious. Colors play a major role in making small spaces feel larger. Recommended minimalist palette: white cream, beige, soft gray and taupe, light pastels as subtle accents. Avoid too many contrasting colors in large surfaces. A harmonious theme visually enlarges the room and creates a calm atmosphere. Add texture through fabrics and natural elements like wood to keep the room warm and inviting. Enhance space perception with lighting. Proper lighting elevates the entire minimalist layout. Natural light is the best tool. Keep windows unobstructed. Layer lighting using ceiling lamps, wall sconces, and floor lamps to create ambience. Warm LED lights add coziness while maintaining simplicity. Mirrors strategically placed near windows also increase brightness and visually expand small rooms. Keep it tidy. Decluttering is daily habit. Minimalism thrives when clutter doesn't accumulate. Make organization part of your lifestyle. Adopt a one-in, one-out rule for new purchases. Use hidden storage baskets and bins to maintain clean lines. Keep surfaces clear. Display only meaningful items. The more open space you preserve, the larger your studio feels. Incorporate nature and personal character thoughtfully. Even in minimalist design, a home should reflect your personality. Add 1 or 2 houseplants for vitality. Choose simple wall decor like framed art or a single statement piece. Use soft textiles, curtains, cushions, throws to provide comfort. The idea is to incorporate personal touches in moderation, ensuring they enhance rather than overwhelm the design. Flexible layouts for daily adaptation. Small studios benefit from layouts that can change based on needs. Foldable desks for remote work that disappear when not in use. Movable screens for transforming the space during sleep or social time. Stackable furniture ideal for guests. A dynamic space aligns perfectly with modern minimalist living. Simple, purposeful, and adaptable. Conclusion: simplicity that empowers small living. Minimalist layout ideas are not just aesthetic choices. They are practical solutions for enhancing comfort and quality of life in small studio apartments. By focusing on purpose, managing clutter, and optimizing every inch, you create a harmonious environment that supports productivity, rest, and personal expression. The beauty of minimalism lies in its balance. A thoughtfully planned studio apartment doesn't feel limited. It feels intentional, stylish, and surprisingly spacious. With smart zoning, multifunctional furniture, vertical storage, and calming design elements, even the smallest studios can become modern homes full of personality and ease.